Once your e-commerce business starts to grow, it quickly becomes a numbers game. It's about getting good data, analyzing it, and then making adjustments that actually move the needle on profitability, whether that's to your product, your website, your advertising channels, for example. Now, I would submit that most e-commerce businesses don't actually fail because of bad data. I think they fail because of bad analysis. They don't know what to do with this constant stream of data that their business is constantly churning back at them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an AI data analyst inside an application called Boardroom, which watches your numbers 24/7, spots issues before you do, and tells you exactly what to fix. And so now I'm logged in here to a Boardroom dashboard. And you can see I've got a Shopify site and an Amazon store connected here, got some advertising spend being pulled in and some key metrics here. And I just want to note at the outset that this works better if you connect more and more data sources into the dashboard. So you can see that we can connect not only online stores, but ad accounts, Google Analytics, even accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. And here's a kind of a list of the integrations on our website. So you can see we've got a lot of different options here for you to pull in your data into the dashboard, and that's going to give the AI data analyst more to work with. But now coming back over to the app on the homepage, I want to show you this because it's super cool. There is an AI Insights panel here below the key metrics, and we can see our first highest priority insight is right here, expenses outpacing sales growth. That's a problem. And what's really cool here is that the AI is analyzing all of the data over, in this case, the past 30 days. We can change that, and we will in a little bit, and we can see how the analysis changes over different time periods. But we have an algorithm that's working in the background here in conjunction with this AI tool, and it's prioritizing your insights for you. So it's giving you literally the most important things to fix right up front. And if I click View All Insights here, we get a little side panel. I'll zoom in so you can see exactly what we're talking about here. Expenses rose to over $3,000, up 60% basically from the prior period, with revenue increasing only 29%. So that's a recipe for disaster at your business, right? So the recommended action here is simple. Audit the biggest expense drivers from the past month, cut or pause any spend that's not directly tied to a measurable sales lift. And it tells you all the supporting metrics, exactly how it's coming to this conclusion. So I love this. And I scroll down here, we get the number 2 insight. Ads now take a bigger sales share. What we're talking about here is our ad to sales ratio. It's up to 6% from 5%, which is a 25% increase. That's not good. That means we're spending more on ads to get a single dollar of revenue than we were before. Again, huge problem. Time to look into the performance of your different ad campaigns. And scrolling down one more time, we can see number 3, repeat buyers are slipping. Okay, returning customer rate fell to 1.5% from basically 5%. That's a huge decline of 68.2%. And this is, of course, a problem, right? If you have lower repeat purchases happening at your store, that's going to be a lower lifetime value of your customers. So maybe you want to launch a retention push, as the AI is suggesting here. Send post-purchase follow-ups, offer a targeted reorder incentive, and review whether recent customer experience issues are suppressing repeat purchases. So you can see you're getting like consulting advice from this AI tool directly inside the app. And just to give you kind of a preview of where we're going with this, the next step that we're building is a series of AI agents that can actually act on these recommendations for you. So if you like the recommended action, you'll be able to click a button here that says, go do it. And then an AI agent is literally going to go carry this out for you, make adjustments at your business, and optimize things for you on autopilot. Okay, so zooming out here, I want to just change the date range to show you that this will give you a totally different analysis depending on what you're looking at. If I change this to from last 30 days to last 90 days, we get a whole new series of insights here. Blended ROAS has collapsed over the last quarter is what this is telling me. So that's terrible. Discounts are rising too fast. We can see discounts have a 26% increase over the last quarter. That's not good either. So we need to think about why that might be happening, and maybe reduce those promotions that are leading to those discounts unnecessarily. So you can see how like this is just giving you all of the benefits of a consultant at your business, but automatically powered by AI. And if you change the date range, again, it'll show you a different level of analysis. So I won't keep doing this, but you could spend all day in here getting different insights into your business that are really going to help you grow. So as you can tell, I'm fired up about this feature. I want to keep this video brief, but I want to just highlight the benefits and impacts of what we've just rolled out. Number one, it's going to save you time. It aggregates and analyzes all of your data for you. Number two, it's going to improve visibility and clarity into what's really going on with your business. And number three, it's going to improve decision making. And that's the most important one, right? It's going to drive more profitability at your business by giving you consulting level insights powered by AI. So if you think this looks cool, let us know in the comments and we'll give you a free trial of this tool and you could start today.